Here is how to screen record on an iPhone without paying a single dime. If you want to record your screen on an iPhone for free and without installing any additional application, then you found the perfect tutorial for that, because I will show you how to screen record your iPhone using just the phone and the settings that Apple gave us. I will show you right now how to do it. So that being said, let's get it started. Just one quick mention before we start: this is an iPhone 11, and also I don't keep my software up to date. This is just a personal preference and things may look different on your phone. So to screen record your iPhone, you have to swipe down exactly like when you want to see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and all that kind of stuff, alright? So this menu will pop up and now you should see here an icon to start screen recording. But in case you can't see here that icon, you have to long press here down below where you don't have any applications, any shortcuts, and now you'll see down below add a control. So let's press on add control, and now this menu will pop up, and here we can locate screen recording on the right side. So let's just select that, just press on it once, and now the shortcut to screen record just has been added, and now we added the shortcut. And now you may also be very interested in these settings if you want to record as well your voice and your screen at the same time, or if you don't want to record your voice and only your screen. So for this you have to long press on this icon, alright, and this menu will pop up, and down below we can locate microphone off. By default it's off. If you want to record your voice at the same time on the same recording, you have to press on your microphone down below, and now we enabled the microphone so we can record our voice at the same time when we record the screen, alright? And when you want to start recording, you just have to press on this icon, alright? Now you can do your stuff on your iPhone to record whatever you want, and when you want to end the recording, you have to swipe down from the top and you have to press again on this icon, and in this way you will end the recording. You can find all your recordings in your phone library, where you can locate all your photos and all your videos. Here is where your recordings will be saved. So this is basically everything which you need to know if you want to record your screen on an iPhone without installing any additional application, and also for free. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts down in the comments.